What's good, YouTube? In today's video, I'm gonna show y'all how I did the best temp fade of my life. I took my boy from this to this in 3 minutes. So if you got 3 minutes to spare to watch the best fade of your life, lock in. If not, man, click to the next video. If you still here, let's lock in. Alright, first step, you're gonna take your trimmers. You're gonna take your trimmers and create your ball line, just like you see me doing right here. After that, you're gonna take your one guard. That's the guard with the number 1 on it. You're gonna open your lever all the way and you're gonna go with the grain. We're gonna take this guard and smooth this section out. You're gonna go from open to close. When you finish, it should look like this. After that, you're gonna take that one guard, lever all the way open, go against the grain. You're gonna cut and comb. You're gonna go from open to close. Make sure you comb it while you cutting. Make sure you angling the clipper so you cut against the grain of where his head pattern grows, just like you see me doing right here. You can go from open to close. Once you finish, it should look something like this right here. After that, you're gonna take your 0 guard. That's your guard with the number 0 on it or the 0.5. You're gonna do the exact same thing. You just gonna stay a little lower than you did with that one guard. You're gonna go from open to close until you lighten that section up as much as possible, just like you see me doing right here. After that, you're gonna go no guard, lever open. You're gonna do the exact same thing you did with the 1 and the 0 guard, but you're just gonna stay down a little bit lower than you did with the 0. You're gonna go from open to close all the way until that line starts to disappear, just like you see me doing right here. Make sure you're taking your time. Do not rush. The little details is what's gonna make the fade pop, just like you see right here. And just like that, y'all seen me take my boy from this to this in under 3 minutes. You should know how to fade just like this after watching this video. If not, start over from the beginning or click on my other videos where I show y'all how to do the exact same thing.